How to refer city pool to your friends. Are guys facing issues to refer city pool to your friends? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To refer city pool to your friends in order to earn points, first of all open city pool on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, just simply look at the bottom of your screen or scroll down. As soon as you scroll down, you'll be able to see options for referral over here. So you can see this option for share to earn. You can earn more as by inviting friends with sharing the link and from the purchase made by your referrals. Just simply tap on share to earn. Once you click on it, you can see this option for quick share, or you can just simply share it to your friends through different social media platforms like Facebook or WhatsApp. However, I don't have any friends right now. If you do have, just simply send it to them. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna refer City Poll to your friends. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.